Lesson 70, word problems and fractions of a group, practice set. Let's begin. 1/3 of 60. We can view it. They want you to draw out what it would look like. Here is our 60. And when we break it up into 1/3, that means that we're dividing 60 into 3 parts. And so let's do this. 6 goes into 2, 3 goes into 6 2 times. We pull down our 0. 3 goes into 0, 0 times. And so 1/3 of 60 is 20. 1/2 of 60. We say 60. We know that that means that we divide by 2, and we can do that without doing a whole lot of mathematics. 1/4 of 60. Now, I already have the answer in my mind because I know the clock has 60 minutes and 1/4 of 60 minutes. Quarter past is just a little clue, but let's do it anyway. 6 can be divided by 4 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract 6 minus 4 is 2. Pull down our 0. 20 can be divided by 4 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we have 0. So 1/4 of 60 is 15, which makes sense. Think 15 minutes of an hour. 1/5 of 60. We're going to take 60 and divide it by 5. 6 can be divided by 5 one time. 1 times 5 is 50. Subtract, we have 1. Bring down our 0. 10 can be divided by 5 twice. So we can say 10. We also do know our math facts, and we know that 5 times 12 is 60. Now, our next problem, 1/2 of 32 children were boys. So how many were boys? When we have 1/2, that tells me I want to divide. And so 2 can go into 3 one time. We subtract. Pull down our 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 16 were boys. I'm assuming that 16 were girls. There we go. 1/3 of coins were quarters. 1/3 of 24 coins were quarters. So we have this amount. We want to know how many of these were quarters. And so we take 24 and we divide it by 3 parts. It's my bad. Let's erase. We know our math facts. We know that 3 times 8 is 24. And so I'm going to just put my math facts right there. I'm multiplying, subtracting. So 24. So this little part is 8 were quarters. And there you have it. Good luck. We are in the thick of division. Keep it up.